Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Grindr account. The process is really easy, let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed the app. Now let's get to the point. First of all, open the app on your phone and you'll see this page on your screen. On this page, you'll have to tap on the sign up option at the top right corner. Then once you reach this page, you can go through all these terms and conditions, and after you're done, you'll simply have to tap on the next option. Then on this pop-up menu, simply tap on accept. Again, you can go through all this privacy and cookie policy, and after you're done, tap on next. Once again on this pop-up menu, you'll have to tap on accept. As you can see on the screen, on this page you'll have to enter your birthday, so enter the date, month as well as the year. And just a reminder, you must be 18 or older to use this app. Once you're done, tap on the option next at the bottom of the page. So here, as you can see on the screen, you can either create your account using your email, your Facebook, or even your Google account. For this tutorial, I'll be using my email. To continue, all you have to do is enter your email address first. And now create a password here. Be sure that the password is strong. Now you'll have to retype the password on this box. Now if you want the app to send you occasional emails regarding special offers, subscriptions, and many more, then you can tap on this small square box. Else you can just let it be. After you're done, simply tap on where it says create account. Once you see this pop-up menu, you'll have to tap on this small square box that says I'm not a robot. And now do what the instruction tells you to do to verify yourself. After you're done, simply tap on verify. Once you're done, you'll see this page on your screen which will ask you to verify your account. So here you'll simply have to enter your country code and then your phone number. And after you're done, tap on send code. Then once you receive the code on your phone, you'll simply have to enter it on this space. Then you can tap on verify. As you can see on the screen, the account has been verified. Now you can log into your account and start using it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.